All right, y'all, Ado the potato is home, and we've been cleaning these parts, and we got everything out here in the yard cleaned and ready to go, basically. So here's all the pieces. We just got done washing them all. We did paint remover on some pieces. We did Dawn dish detergent. We did isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and we did wax and grease remover. And the only thing that didn't really, oh, and we did brake cleaner too. And the only thing that did not like brake cleaner was the glove box. So don't spray your glove box with brake cleaner. Everything else you're okay to spray it with. And we're just gonna let this stuff sit out here. Yeah, the bugs are getting all over it right now, but they'll go away before we paint it, and we'll let the sun just kind of dry it up and get all the chemicals flashed off of it and everything. And we're gonna go eat dinner and come back and probably paint this stuff tomorrow, because by the time we get back the sun's gonna be down. So probably just paint the stuff tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Got all the other pieces over here. This isn't the glove box I used the brake cleaner on. That one got destroyed basically. And then here's all the other pieces. So yeah. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to paint, and we got Lmr's titanium 90 through 92 interior paint, 1 pint. It comes with 2 in the big package if you get it. And then we've got the sprayer system, and then they give you some more aerosol cans to plug into that. And then basically what this looks like, just pull this out of there. Comes with an extra cap, as you see there, and then you've got your little paint bottle that you put your paint into, and the aerosol sprayer on top. And basically you're just going to take this paint out of here. You're just basically going to take this paint out of here, strain it through there into this bottle, and then you're just going to take it and paint it. And Lmr has the paint kit for like $150. It comes with 2 pints, and I guess that's 1, 2, 3, 4 sprayers. So I got 4 sprayers and 2 pints to paint all this stuff. So hopefully we can get it done. All right, you guys, I think we're ready to paint. We got all our pieces laid out here. Center console stuff. Oh, there's still a little water on there, so I guess we're not ready to paint yet. Actually, we gotta let everything dry a little bit more. And I think we're ready over here though. Nothing over here has any water left on it, so we can paint that stuff, and we can paint that stuff and this stuff. Got a little water over here still, right there. So I'll wipe that, grab a towel and wipe it down real quick, and then we'll get to painting. So I got to tape all this up too. So, but just checking it over one last time. It's not perfect. I got some black paint in here, you know, but a little bit back here, but I think it's gonna work out. So we're just gonna do it, you know. All right, y'all, Ado the potato is about to take charge, oh. Let's do it like, oh, I didn't even tape these up. We'll just spray close to it, but not all the way on it. Yeah, just paint.
Over here?
Yeah, wherever. The flatter part, and then I'll flip it over. There you go. Yeah. Perfect. Good job. Yeah. Just a tack coat. Yep. I think you're holding it too much of an angle. It's got to be more straight. Grab that seat and sit on it. That little, no, this. Perfect. Good job, dude. That's how you do it, man. And once you get that area, I'll flip the panel over and you can do a different area. That's good. And then hit all this, you know, from like here down, and then I'll flip it. Yeah. Get closer to it. Yeah. But spray a little less, so there you go. There you go. Like you're putting it on with a fan. Yeah, definitely gotta get some over that stuff, huh? Freaking black. Hopefully it covers that black. If not, we're gonna be in deep doo-doo. Hit right here. Right here. We gotta cover every square inch of this thing. There you go. Yep. Yep. Oh, I got it. It ain't gonna slide any further than that because the screws from the speaker grill. Get down in that pocket for just get like this whole area, and then I'll flip it over or move it or something. Yeah. Good deal, good deal. Get down in that pocket if you can while we got this good angle on it, you know? There you go. Yeah. Perfect. Just throw some paint all over in there. Every little inch of that area. Like up against this wall here. Yeah. See that black? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And like right here, that little area. There we go. Perfect. Good deal. Alright, let me rotate it around to... Whoa, it's so windy. Alright, hold on one second. Let me grab some tape and throw some tape on that. Alright, so Ado's got a new sprayer on there. Should be able to kick some air out now. What'd you do?
He just came out of that little hole right there.
Oh, that thing broke.
It was like that on that one too. It came out.
Oh, hold the